Let me introduce the add-on sheet to JSON for Google Sheets. This add-on lets you convert Google Sheets data to JSON. To begin, go to Extensions, Sheet to JSON, and click Open App. The add-on lets you create different configurations per file. Also known as multiple configurations for every sheet. Click on New Configuration and define the JSON format. First, choose the data source such as customers, orders, or products. Choose the range. Specify whether your range has a header. I give it a name, Custom JSON. Then I click Next. Now define your JSON specification. We have several predefined JSON formats like array of objects and object of rows. You can change the key to name, email, or a custom ID. Other formats include object of columns, simple key value pairs, array structures, array of rows, and array of columns. You can also define a custom array or create your own custom object. To add a field, click on Field, add an object, or define it as an array. Click on Array. Click Add a field, type the new field name such as XYZ, and select it from the drop-down. Choose the type, for example number if applicable. Then choose Map to column or any other type. If the added key is a sub-array or object, you can add sub-objects under it. By clicking on the plus icon, Add Object will create sub-objects within it. Choose the type as string, click Generate, and this produces the JSON for different. Rows. You can choose the download format as minified or plain text. I choose minified. I can download it from here or save the configuration. In the current group of saved configurations, click Export to export the JSON configuration. You can import JSON configurations by choosing the exported configuration file and clicking Import. The imported configuration will appear in your sidebar. You can rename it. Or leave it as it was. This helps you distinguish between different configurations and download the JSON by clicking the Run Now option. I hope the add-on is helpful. Thank you.